Staniel Cay Yacht Club is not the kind of resort that tries to impress guests with massive luxury towers, flashy casinos, or over-the-top entertainment. Instead, it offers something far more authentic, a relaxed island atmosphere in one of the most naturally beautiful parts of the Bahamas. Located in the heart of the Exuma Keys, the resort feels remote, peaceful, and genuinely connected to its surroundings. Crystal clear turquoise water, colorful boats in the marina, quiet beaches, and small island charm create the feeling of stepping into a slower, simpler version of the Caribbean. The property itself is relatively small and casual compared to large luxury resorts. The cottages and bungalows are comfortable, bright, and positioned close to the water. Many feature beautiful ocean views and easy access to the marina. The style is more rustic island chic, rather than ultra-modern luxury, but that simplicity is part of the appeal. What truly makes Staniel Cay Yacht Club special is the location and the experiences around it. Guests are only minutes away from some of the Bahamas' most famous attractions, including the swimming pigs, Thunderball Grotto, hidden sandbars, nose sharks, and endless untouched turquoise waters. Boat excursions here feel less like tourist activities, and more like genuine adventures through paradise. The atmosphere throughout the resort is friendly, laid back, and welcoming. Staff and locals often create a more personal and authentic feeling than what you find at larger commercial resorts. Evenings at the Marina restaurant have a relaxed social vibe, with boaters, travelers, and locals all gathering together. Dining is fresh, casual, and focused heavily on seafood and island flavors. While not ultra gourmet, the food matches the easygoing atmosphere perfectly. Of course, travelers expecting polished five-star luxury may find the resort more simple than expected. Wi-Fi can sometimes be inconsistent, and the island infrastructure is naturally more limited due to the remote location. But honestly, that is part of the experience. Overall, Staniel Cay Yacht Club is not about luxury in the traditional sense. It is about location, adventure, authenticity, and experiencing one of the most breathtaking marine environments in the Caribbean in a relaxed and genuine way.